Hi everybody and happy Halloween. I am here with our new collections manager, Ivy Albright. Welcome, Ivy.
Thank you, Stephen.
We are so thrilled to have her here at the Sixth Floor Museum, and one of the fun things for me as curator is getting to show Ivy all the stuff she's going to be taking care of in our collection. And since it's Halloween, I wanted to surprise Ivy with a couple of really unique items in our collection related to this holiday. Ivy has never seen these, and so we're going to see her reaction together. We're going to start with this one. They're both connected in some way. But I want to see what you think of this remarkable artifact here.
Let's go. Wow.
So what we have here is the First Lady costume that was made by Ben Cooper Inc. in the fall of 1963. So these would have been on store shelves less than a month before the assassination.
And had there been prior First Lady costumes before Jackie Kennedy?
Actually, no. It really does speak to the popularity of the First Lady. The fact that on store shelves alongside Disney characters and Bozo the Clown and George Jetson and this new superhero that had just come out the year before named Spider-Man, you would be able to find a Jackie Kennedy Halloween costume with this wonderful one-piece rayon dress.
Wow, okay, so little girls could dress up as Jackie, the First Lady, perhaps one of the most popular First Ladies in American history. But Stephen, my next question is, where's Jack?
Well, that is a good question.
Where does he fit in?
Let's take a look and see if we have a Jack in the Box. And sure enough, there he is. This is the Mr. President costume. This would have been sold alongside the First Lady costume. You can see it says JFK on the president's pocket there, and he's got this nice black and white one-piece rayon suit that matches the First Lady's dress quite nicely. These costumes would have retailed for just under $2, and adjusted for inflation, that means these are basically $20 Halloween costumes today. This was the only presidential costume that Ben Cooper ever made.
Stephen, I just noticed this says Magic Glow costume. Can you please elaborate? Was it supposed to glow in the dark?
Well, the masks were, which, if you look at them, would be a little horrifying out on the street, I would think. But yes, these masks did glow in the dark. It was actually considered a safety feature along with flame retardant fabrics. We have tried to put these under light, and unfortunately they no longer glow. That process has worn off over the years.
Okay, so now Stephen, Halloween was in October. We know the assassination would have happened about a month later. How appropriate would it have been for children or even adults to portray Jack and Jackie, either playfully or seriously after the assassination? How did society feel about this moving forward?
Yeah, it would have been considered very inappropriate after the assassination to dress as either of these figures. In fact, typically when Ben Cooper would make a costume, they would produce it for multiple years, and any excess inventory still on store shelves at Halloween, like in '63, would have just been stored in a warehouse until Halloween 1964. But what is really interesting about these two costumes, any remaining stock that was not sold after the assassination were destroyed by Ben Cooper, meaning there are very few of these still in existence, especially ones that still come with the original box. So we're very lucky to have these at the museum.
I think this speaks volumes to the collection that the museum collects and maintains in honoring JFK's legacy, and how special it is that we were able to have costume pieces that represent both the Kennedys and pop culture and continue his legacy today.
Yeah, popular culture is a great way of understanding the evolution of the Kennedy legacy, how the public perceived him both in life and decades after his assassination. Happy Halloween, Ivy.
Happy Halloween, Stephen. What are you going to be for Halloween this year?
Let us know in the comments below.
What are you going to be for Halloween this year?
I am going as the curator.